welcome to my channel. Today I will show these shoes. You can see the shoes body. Shoes top and shoelace inside. Now this one, the body. If you are interested, contact me or go to my website. This is my website. See you next time. Bye bye.